Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore the future of AI, trends and innovations you need to know. So, buckle up for an exciting journey into the cutting-edge developments that are shaping the future of technology. Introduction to the current AI landscape. Before we gaze into the future, let's take a quick look at where we stand today. Artificial intelligence has already made significant strides, from voice assistants to machine learning applications. But what's next? Let's find out. Trend 1. Rise of explainable AI. One of the emerging trends in AI is the rise of explainable AI. As our reliance on artificial intelligence grows, so does the need for transparency. Join me as we explore the importance of understanding and interpreting AI decisions. Transparency in AI. Transparency is the key to trust. When we can comprehend the reasoning behind AI decisions, it fosters trust in the technology. Whether it's in healthcare, finance, or daily recommendations, transparency builds a bridge between the machine and us. Ethical considerations. AI decisions carry ethical implications. Understanding how these decisions are made helps us address biases and ensure fairness. It's about creating AI systems that align with our values and principles. Improving AI systems. By understanding and interpreting AI decisions, we contribute to the ongoing improvement of these systems. It's a collaborative effort, human intelligence complementing artificial intelligence to refine algorithms and make them more accurate and reliable. Real-world impact. AI isn't just a futuristic concept. It's a part of our daily lives. The decisions it makes impact us directly, from medical diagnoses to loan approvals. Comprehending AI decisions empowers us to make informed choices and navigate the digital landscape. Building user confidence. User confidence is key in the AI-driven era. When we understand why AI makes certain decisions, it demystifies the technology. Users feel more in control and empowered, fostering a positive relationship between humans and machines. Facilitating human-AI collaboration. AI is not here to replace us. It's here to collaborate. Understanding AI decisions is like learning a new language. The better we comprehend it, the more effectively we can work hand in hand with AI to solve complex problems. Trend 2. AI in healthcare. Healthcare is experiencing a revolution with the integration of AI. From predictive diagnostics to personalized medicine, AI is changing the way we approach healthcare. Discover the groundbreaking innovations that are saving lives and improving patient care. Trend 3. Quantum computing and AI. The synergy between quantum computing and AI is a game-changer. Quantum computing promises unprecedented computational power, opening up new possibilities for AI applications. Join me as we explore this powerful combination and its potential impact. Trend 4. Ethical considerations in AI development ****. As AI evolves, so do the ethical considerations surrounding its development and deployment. In this segment, we'll discuss the importance of ethical AI practices and the ongoing efforts to ensure responsible and unbiased AI systems. Trend 5. AI and autonomous systems. Autonomous systems, from self-driving cars to drones, are becoming increasingly prevalent. Delve into the advancements in AI that are propelling the era of autonomy, reshaping industries and our daily lives. Trend 6. The role of AI in business transformation ****. Businesses are leveraging AI for transformational change. From streamlining operations to enhancing customer experiences, AI is a catalyst for innovation. Join me as we explore the varied applications of AI in the business landscape. Trend 7. Chatbots and natural language processing. The evolution of chatbots and natural language processing is creating more seamless interactions between humans and machines. Discover how these AI-driven technologies are enhancing communication and user experiences. Trend 8. AI in creativity and art. AI is not only analytical but also creative. Explore the fascinating world of AI-generated art, music, and content creation. We'll delve into the innovations that are blurring the lines between human creativity and artificial intelligence. And there you have it, a glimpse into the future of AI, trends and innovations you need to know. The world of artificial intelligence is dynamic and ever-evolving. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Share your insights in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more explorations into the tech-driven future here. Until next time, have a nice day.